Hi, vintage loving friends. We're going to do an amazing unboxing today of turquoise Native American jewelry. It is honestly some of the most incredible things I have ever seen. Are you ready? So I have been sitting on this for a little while because we had to do some research, but it's nuts. This all came from one person. It is very many belts. Look at this guy. So we're probably going to end up doing this video in 2, maybe 3 parts because there are so many pieces. Look at this belt. Absolutely incredible. So take screenshots, message us, text us, let us know what you're interested in. This is one of the belts. Let's see what's in this guy. I don't even know. Oh my god, this Zuni needlepoint necklace. Like, when do you see necklaces? I don't know, like not that often, at least I haven't. It's bracelet. We've got this hairpin, another beautiful sterling bracelet. All these pieces are signed. Super amazing. Let me see what this other belt is. Look at this! I'm going to do my very best not to keep all of it. I'm not going to keep all of it, but at least not keep a thing or two. Oh my god, I dropped it. Look at this. Is that nuts? Oh my god. All of the pieces are there. They're in fantastic condition. Alright, put this one here. Alright, let's pull this. This bracelet is insane too. Look at all the pieces of turquoise, and then when you flip it over, it is suede, and then you slip your hand through here, and then you tighten it. I don't even know what this is called, so if you know what this is called, let me know. But I thought it was absolutely beautiful. I'm like foot clamped because it's incredible. All right, we got this. I mean, all of this stuff honestly came in this box from one person. She sold me beautiful clothes, and then she was like, oh, do you guys do jewelry? I have some jewelry in my car. So she gave my husband the keys to her car, and he went out, and he comes back with this box, and he's like, wait, what was it? And she's like, oh yeah, it's like Navajo stuff. I used to collect it. Look at this. This watch was in there too. All these inlaid stones. Has the original tags on it. Okay. I'm like, sure. We'll buy this stuff from you. We'll list it. We'll do a video. I think we have some customers for this stuff. Pretty incredible. Watches. Look at this guy. Oh my god, so good. These pieces though too, if the watches don't work, you can easily replace them. The value here really is in the bracelet. If you turn it over too, they should be marked or signed. We don't polish our silver. We like to leave it as is. This is a piece that Josh, my husband, is very much in love with, and the good news is the marking on the back actually has his initials. Look at that slab piece of turquoise. Oh my god. I mean, I hope you guys are as excited as I am because it is really super intense. Alright, there are more and more belts. There are belts and belts and belts. Now, these are not for the faint of heart, so let us know. These are like collectible pieces too. I mean, I see maybe one of these a year, 2 of these a year, and this box is totally full. Look at this. It's on the leather, which is insane. All of the pieces of turquoise are here, and the length is really, really good. I mean, look at this. They're not tiny. They're great. All right, let's see what else we have. So tag a friend, share this video with somebody if you know a collector out there. I've never seen, look at the size of these pieces. Crazy. And you turn them over, they are pins or they are pendants. They're fully marked. Look at the original price tag. $2,640. I want to gently put them down. But this one, look at this. I gotta take this one out. When she took it out, it was like with this rock. I'm like, what is this rock? It's the stand. So you can put it on the stand. Look, it's all marked Zuni. So you can wear it as a piece of jewelry, or you set it down with the stand, and then you can put it on your desk and appreciate it all the freaking time because it's amazing. It's a work of art that I'm gently going to put down over here because I'm so excited that I don't want to drop it. All right, this piece. This is the one that I am thinking about keeping. Let me know if you think I should keep it or sell it. But the coral. Ugh! What? Look at the marking on the back. Look at that. We're zooming in. We're getting it clear. Yeah, more or less más o menos, but look at this. So if these don't sell in the video, we are going to be listing them on eBay. So check the link, but look at this. I mean, right? Absolutely, totally stunning pieces of workmanship. And people are not making these as well as these two. I don't think so, at least. All right, we're going to gently put these down. We're going to wrap all of these up. There are many, many more pieces. I'm going to show you a couple more in this video. I think this is going to be a 3-part video because this box is still really full. Here's another one. I think we even have the matching earrings to this and maybe the bracelet too. Look at this. So these have sawtooth bezels holding in each of the stones. I love that the stones vary just like a little bit in color. Great engraving like around here and like this little like rope bezel as well. Look at how many conchos there are. Absolutely stunning. Quite a collection. All right. I think we're going to do... No, I'm going to make you stay tuned for part 2 and part 3 of the video, but let me know what you think, and there's more coming.